What is DysonDeals.com? It is an online deals website which adds more number of customers for a product or service at zero marketing cost, based on the fact that the e-commerce market in India has reached close to rupees 50,000 crores by the end of 2011. India ranks third biggest e-shopping nation today due to the remarkable shift from the web users to web consumers in India. The growth in Indian e-commerce is expected to be 70%. How does Dyson Deals work? As a retailer, you need to list down your business in DysonDeals.com with large discounts. We will promote your business to a wider market at zero cost. Customers will get attracted to your discount and buy your product. Higher the discount, larger the sales, and business growth that will make the retailers happy. How come customers avail the discounts? Visit DysonDeals.com. Choose the desired product or service listed in the website at great discount provided. Pay the advanced mention in the product display through online payment methods. Show the printed receipt or mobile confirmation SMS to the retailer to avail the special discount, and pay the balance directly to the retailer. On getting huge discounts, customers are also happy. There are about 150 internet users in India, or 75 million households, that are ready for e-commerce as per study by Internet and Mobile Association of India. Then what are you waiting for? Retailers, are you ready to take advantage of the e-commerce boom? List down your business in our website.